If you've been wondering how to change your Steam region, the first thing you need to know is that Steam has made this process much stricter than it used to be. Valve does this to prevent people from region hopping just to get cheaper prices. So before we start, I want to be clear that the official method is only meant for people who have actually moved to a new country. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Now, let's walk through the proper way to do it. Steam now detects your location automatically using your IP address. So the region update usually happens during a purchase. That means the first step is to be physically in the new country. If you are already there, or if your location has genuinely changed, you can move on to the next part. Some people talk about using a VPN, but that can carry risk and may not work reliably, so the safest approach is always to use your real current location. Once you're ready, open Steam and add any item to your cart. It can be a game, an add-on, or even a small item, as long as it takes you to the checkout process. When you get to the cart page, look carefully for a drop-down menu labeled Country. This is where Steam checks the region tied to your purchase. From that list, select the new country you want to use. After you choose it, Steam should update the prices and the currency in your cart to match that region. This is one of the clearest signs that the change is being recognized correctly, so double check that everything looks right before moving forward. The next step is extremely important. To complete the region change, you need to pay using a payment method that was issued in that same country. That means your credit card, PayPal account, or other payment option has to match the new region. Steam expects the billing address and the payment method's origin to line up with the country you selected. If you try to use a US card for a French account region, for example, the change may fail. Once the payment goes through successfully, Steam will update your account region based on that transaction. In other words, the region does not permanently change just because you picked a country from the dropdown. The final purchase is what confirms it. Now let's go over the golden rules, because these are the limits most people forget. First, there is a 3-month cooldown. Once you change your Steam region, you are locked into that country for 90 days. That means you cannot switch again right away, so make sure the region you choose is the one you truly need. Second, local payment is required. Steam does not want a mismatch between the country you select and the payment method you use. Your billing details, card origin, and country selection should all match. Third, if you already have money in your Steam wallet, it will be converted automatically to the new currency when your region changes. Steam uses the current exchange rate, so your balance may look different afterward depending on the currency conversion. So the process is really simple once you understand it. Be in the correct country, add an item to your cart, choose the new country and checkout, pay with a local payment method, and then remember the 90-day cooldown after the switch. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Steam guides, and check out the next video for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.